Hey guys, welcome to Play with Aiden. I'm gonna show you how to make a boomerang paper airplane out of A4 paper. So, yeah, here. So you have an A4 paper, fold it like this, and then unfold, and then fold your triangles like this, and then fold it like that. And fold it down the corner, and then fold your triangles again, and then take this corner to fold it like this, and then do that, and then do this, and then do this, and then fold your this one, the corners, and fold it like this. And here, I'm gonna show you how it flies. Okay. I'm just gonna find a table. Oh, I just found one. Okay, here, I'm gonna show you. It goes back, actually. Sorry for that. See, I told ya. It flies so cool. See you.